one option I'd like to show you is our flush bolts. This is our standard flush bolt and included with every door. It's a standard 7-inch flush bolt with a pin that extends out about 1 inch. We have an option where both bolts extend in and out at the same time from the top and the bottom every time you throw this. This is located about 42 inches from the ground, and you never have to reach up or get a chair for 8-foot tall doors. Also, it's a much bigger rod that extends the entire length of the door. This is approved for Dade County hurricane testing, and it will hold up to pretty much anything that you need it to. What's nice about the upgraded latch is that all ages are able to reach and use this easily. When this is an 8-foot tall door, this is mortised at about 42 inches, where anyone is able to easily take this up and down to extend both the top and bottom latch at the same time. So here is the upgraded pin, much girthier, and also it has a bevel to help it align into the hole easier when you do need to use your active, non-active door. Here we have an application installed of our Astragal Mortise Lock.